I think this is one of Fat Larry's gang. Fat Larry is a wood pigeon that has a deformed leg. So he eats everything that's on the floor, and I mean everything, he's like a hoover. And there's about half a dozen of them that knock around with him. And he can fly, obviously, and he can get up into the bird baths. Has just done his ablutions, and is obviously sorting out his tail feathers. Spring is sprung, as they say, so he's obviously after the ladies. But yeah, I suppose it is called a bird bath, so I suppose it's only fair he does take a bath in it. But yeah, really enjoying himself. I guess they must get quite dusty. Keep the feathers clean and keeps them in the air. Well, I think he's taking up residence. I don't know about anything else, but this is the third time today that I've filled this particular bird bath hut. It's the one the bigger birds tend to enjoy, I think, because it's deep. But yeah. Itchy ear. Get the water, get the soap out your ear. Yeah.